This plant is Yaupon holly. You can clip it into a hedge or you can let it grow naturally. It's a native, and it's also a wonderful tea made from the leaves that's full of antioxidants.